Hello, dear ones. We are Laarkmaa, and we are here to support you on your evolutionary journey. Today, we wish to speak to you about the Earth's message for humanity and your mission to return to the stars from whence you came. The Earth is calling you home. There's a strong message that the Earth is putting out, and you are part of the Earth. So we suggest that you listen well to your own intuitive messages. You are part of the water of the Earth and part of the energy of the stars. You are part of both. Right now, the Earth is calling you to pay attention to the water part of who you are and listen to the messages that the Earth is putting out into the world. We have told you many times in the last few years that the choice point for humanity has already been made. That choice point is reflected in the great split that is occurring on your planet. Those who have chosen to ascend with the Earth and those who have chosen to return on the karmic wheel at another place to finish their lessons. That choice was already reached by each of you. However, now those of you who are watching this video, who are listening to our message, are becoming more and more aware of the message the Earth herself is sending out. And it is a message of saying, you are being called back to nature. One of our friends recently used the term nature deficit, and we feel that is strongly what humanity is suffering from now. Too many of you are aligned with artificial technology, and the great split is about the choice between aligning with technology and AI or aligning with Earth, nature, and the cosmos. In this journey that you are engaged in, you must, for your highest evolutionary good, choose to be more aligned with nature. Choose to spend time in nature with your feet on the ground. Choose to listen to your inner ear, the messages that come from your intuition and your heart, telling you what you need to do to realign with nature once again. This is the message Earth is giving to you now, and we are happy to share that with you. For on the pathway to returning to your highest evolutionary state, you simply must return to nature here on this planet before you return to your cosmic citizenship and moving into the next level of who you are in your conscious awareness. We remind you again, you are part of the stars and you are part of this earth. You have been working to integrate many, many parallel aspects of who you are. But now as the earth shifts during this time of potent energy you have been experiencing and continue to experience, you are being led more and more on a moment-by-moment basis to pay attention to the environment in which you live. Pay attention to the messages that nature is giving you and to withdraw fully from artificial intelligence and things that support it. You will be called upon in these times of change to step away from using your internet, your cell phones, your financial institutions, everything that is connected to digital, what they call intelligence and we call ignorance, the digital platforms that you're being urged to use. You'll be called to step away from all of those and return to a sense of barter, exchange from the heart, and doing things moment by moment as nature indicates this is what is appropriate for this now moment. We created the Pleiadian-earth energy calendar to give you a sense of how to follow energies as they arrive, how to pay attention to them and participate with them. Most of you glance at that and attempt to incorporate it into your lives, but very quickly move back into artificial intelligence. We are telling you that as the earth calls you home, you will not be able to engage with those activities indefinitely. Yes, there are internet things that bring you great connection, such as listening to this message that we are giving you, or speaking with a friend, or perhaps even in your business pursuits. Yes, internet has been a part of your lives that has been important and appropriate. However, internet and those who are manipulating it are inserting more and more alignment with the artificial intelligence that is becoming more a part of your human experience. This is the battle between artificial intelligence, or anti-life, and the battle of nature, life, and anti-artificial intelligence. You're being called by the earth to participate in this battle by claiming voluntarily on your own, I choose to be aligned with nature rather than artificial intelligence, for I recognize that AI is anti-life. As you are listening to this call, you will find your heart being led more and more to the joy of being in nature and the lack of response when artificial intelligence suggests it is an improvement in your life. You will be choosing not to respond to that invitation, and you'll be choosing instead to use your internet and your phones only for things that are necessary rather than for everything that artificial intelligence offers to you. We tell you to pay attention to what you feel, and we remind you that safety is always there and always available in your own hearts, because your hearts will guide you intuitively, moment by moment, during these challenging times. You have been watching for the last several weeks what the eclipse season has done in alignment with nature and the earth to do what we suggest about Earth calling you home. There are catastrophes across the planet, and you will have noticed earthquakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, heat waves, all kinds of aberrant earth behavior, which are not truly aberrant, but are actually an increased intensity of the earth trying to get your attention. The greatest message in this is that you are one. You are joined together in unity, and you are being encouraged to move away from the ideas of separation that are caused by fear, that cause you to do things that align with things that are harmful, instead of opening to support and help one another. In times of distress, Earth is encouraging you and calling you. Support one another, love one another, give from your heart. Be grateful for what you have. Do not be in fear for what you may lose, for everything that is lost at this portion of your journey will be replenished in full by alternate ways of great evolutionary support and joy on the journey you are making. You're here to be of service. You're here as beings of light. You're here as beings of love. So whatever is happening in your body, in your community, in your country, or in your world, be grateful for the experience. Listen to your heart's intuitive guidance. Reach out to support each other, and trust that as Earth calls you home, you are being aligned with nature more fully, so that you are enriched by nature and no longer experience a nature deficit syndrome that is causing separation. In this journey of recognition that you are part of nature, you also enhance your connection to the stars and that portion of you that remembers you are light, you are love. Be courageous, dear ones. Be brave. Listen to the call of the earth. Listen to the recognition of the voices from the stars that come to tell you you are changing, but change is good. You are evolving so that you step into cosmic citizenship with joy, with bliss, with connection, and with abundance. We love you. Good always.